and JM Salvago as well. Look at these artists para sa uninvited world premiere. Beautiful outfits, beautiful suits. What we expect. Lalo na para sa ating golden carpet premiere. Again, this is golden because we got a golden product right here na namin pinagmamalaki at ipagmamalaki po natin ng Pilipino. And this is in line. Nag-ibang emosyon ngayon. I'm sure you guys are excited to come outside here.
Sobrang excitement kasi hindi ka namin nakikita yung film. So, kumbaga, para sa amin, puhusgahan namin sa pero, for sure, para sa inyo ito.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Please, boys and gentlemen, enjoying our show for the evening. Maraming salamat. Brother, please enjoy the whole thing. We got lots of food, lots of drinks right here. This is a party, and I know your favorite Ursula is there. Yes. Cool, this. Lolo de Leon. Okay, walking her way sa ating golden carpet is the very talented, ever beautiful Miss Lolo de Leon. Okay, talking about stars and pillars, we got Mr. Tirso Cruz III. Ayan na. You know it's gonna be a great movie, a great series even if that man is in the credits. Mr. Tirso Cruz III. The golden carpet, the one and only Miss Nothing Looks Right. Award-winning actress, multimedia star. I call her the collector because of the different awards that she has been getting. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the president in the building, Nothing Looks Right. Her character in the movie is Nicole, which by the way is one of the drinks being served from Manila Craft in our event. It's called Nicole's Revenge if I'm not mistaken, so please all our guests enjoy all of the cocktails right here before we enjoy them.
This is the first time I'm going to be doing that on screen.
Oh, well, we're so happy and excited na panood ang character mo, and please enjoy the night. Lady in red, you're going to be painting the town red, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nadine Looks Right. Thank you. Remember that title when she gets an award this year, and right now we got another award-winning actor in a persona of the Forever Buckets. We got the one and only Mr. Aga Mulat. Ayan na lahat ng we got a golden product, which is uninvited, and an icon right here. One of the treasures of our country is there right now. In what an icon. The star for all seasons. Miss Vilma Santos. So gracious. She has been pouring her heart out in all things, especially for this movie. And now,
Premiere night ng Uninvited. And nagagalak po ang buong family ng Uninvited. Na ito na yung aming premiere night. And we all invite you. We will thrill your hearts this coming December 25 para po sa pelikula po namin Uninvited. Please do watch. We are inviting you to watch Uninvited. And this is part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. To all of you, we love you! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! This is one gift na hindi na dapat palampasin. Ito na yun, all the biggest stars in Wild Film just for you guys. Okay, we have our Star for All Seasons right here on the stage. May we call in Direk Dan to please join us? Right here together with the President, Ms. Ilustre, an award-winning actor, of course, we got Saraga Mulak, all this cast, Gio, Zolo, Tirso. Okay, we got Ron, Gavin, RK enjoying his drink already. Miss Lotlot, JM, and Elijah. Okay. Right now, may we invite the cast for a quick photo op before they go inside the cinema. Okay, all smiles. Great pairs that you have, and again, you got a great event. Kamusta ang pakiramdam being invited to the world premiere of Uninvited?
Kinakabahan na kuya.
Kinakabahan?
At hindi nag-attend sa ganito kasi tinapos ko yung school ko.
Okay.
So, ngayon lang ako ulit naka-attend talaga.
Congratulations to
Thank you.
school. And hopefully we can see you on the big screen together with the biggest stars as well. Alright? Maraming
Thank you.
salamat. And please enjoy the film.
Yes, enjoy it.
Mr. Paolo Alex.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, joining us right here is Martin Del Rosario. Hi, Mark. Hindi kita kilala with that. And of course, we got the Mulak family right here. Okay, got the Charlene, we got Akasha, and Andres. Yes, we got.
Thank you guys for your time, and hopefully you guys enjoy Uninvited.
Thank you. Actually, everyone has been expecting you to be right here sa ating Golden Matter premiere. We just can't wait to throw you lots of questions, but I'll just give you a couple of questions right now. How excited are you guys? Finally, just 2 days, and their one premiere ng ating Uninvited. Let's start it.
Often we get to see big, talented actors together. Of course, Miss Vilma Santos, asawa naman, and Miss Nadine, and lahat sila, diba? And to see them together, we're all quite excited to see how this movie will turn out. And I'm sure you'll really good. Katulad na sinabi ni Natasha, nakita din namin lahat ng pag-ibig ng hard work that people behind it. So, we're excited for everyone.
And Ms. Vilma and Sir Aga has been parang since they have been working, diba?
This is their third movie together.
Third movie.
Third